Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for Swallows Cottage, Barrington by Strathmiglo. This is an absolutely gorgeous 5-bedroom, 3-reception, really spacious family home set in the most idyllic countryside setting with panoramic views to the front of the Lomond Hills. Stepping inside, you've got a really spacious property that offers one level living, ample space for working from home and great for socialising for family and friends. Stepping outside to the rear, you've got a generous sized family garden, fruit and vegetable plot, great sized workshop space as well as a garage. So what I'm going to do is take you on the tour and show you everything that this property has to offer, and keep listening to the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, Swallows Cottage. Absolutely beautiful cottage, something off a postcard. Truly is idyllic. You can see you have solar panels just on the roof just there, and there is further on the garage, but I'll stop teasing you and I'm going to show you the view. So this is directly in front of your property, completely unobstructed. You've got the Lomond Hills there, and I'm going to just do a panoramic view to show you exactly what you'll see every day when you wake up. Isn't this just perfect? So peaceful. You can hear the birds in the background. So I'm sure by now you've realised that you'll be able to just let the kids and any pets just come out and run about, and it's just perfect. And we actually have some horses that have come to say hello, so it really is a perfect setting. Absolutely cannot get enough of this. Swallows Cottage. So let's start the tour. Enough teasing you. As I mentioned, solar panels on the roof just there, and then as we come around you can see that there is further on the garage. Now this all comes with the property. I will come back out to show you at the end, but ample space for parking for yourself, family and friends that are visiting. Now we're going to start at the front and work our way inside. Isn't this just incredible? Stepping out of your front door to this every day. So spoiled. Right, let's head inside. So we are going to start upstairs, don't forget, and work our way down. So 5 bedrooms, 3 receptions, so plenty of family space. Now what I love as well is the size of this landing. It just shows you how spacious this property really is, because this is just the landing. So bright as well, which I love about this property. Plenty of windows to the front, because obviously we want to take full advantage of the views, as you can imagine. You could, if you don't want to use the study space that you could get yourself a desk fitted into that space so you can have that great outlook, or whether you just put a chair there. But let's head into the master. So this is your master room. Great size, really bright. Windows to the front. So imagine opening your curtains every day and that being your outlook. You've got fitted wardrobes just there. I'm sure you've not had enough of the view, so let me just show you again. That is your master bedroom outlook. So yeah, you've got your fitted wardrobes. In the corner just there, you do have further fitted wardrobes. So plenty of space. You then have your ensuite. So you have your vanity unit. You have your Velux window letting in plenty of natural light. Thermostatic shower WC. Heated towel rail, and there is actually underfloor heating, which is a great addition. So that is your ensuite. Then you come into your further bedroom. Again, really great and bright. And you have your outlook to the garden. So that's just a sneak peek at your garden to the rear, which is just perfect. Then we come along the hallway. Currently being utilised as a study, working from home space. So if you need that, then this gives you a great idea. Storage just behind the door there. Again, a great outlook for when you are working away. Then we come into a further room. Again, a really great sized, really spacious and bright. Spoiled with the views yet again. Now this is a really generous sized bedroom, which is just perfect. Let me show you just how big this room is. Again, you've got your window to the front for the views. And then you have great addition of this floor to ceiling fitted hanging and shelved storage. Then we come along into your family bathroom. Great size, so you have your bath, wash hand basin, WC and thermostatic shower, so 4-piece bathroom. Again, great outlook, really bright, and again, same that you have your underfloor heating. So that's the upstairs of your property. And we're going to head downstairs. So plenty of family space that I will talk you through. So we come down into the breakfast and kitchen, but we're going to start in what is a boot room, which is a perfect, because actually that gives you access onto your drive, so you can bring, you know, dirty boots, whether you've got pets, straight into this space and try and contain it into one room. You've got floor to ceiling storage, plenty of worktop space, storage, and this is just a great boot room, as I say, to try and contain the mess. And then you come into your great sized family breakfast and kitchen. Such a great size. That is your outlook to the front. It's just perfect. So you've got your large range cooker, integrated microwave, you have your double fridge, you also have an integrated dishwasher. Island is just perfect. I feel like this is the real heart of the home. Such a great size. Just perfect. So plenty of storage and worktop space also. Great if you're doing baking with the kids. Again, a really good sized entrance just here. And then you do have storage just under there. And then the one level living that I mentioned is just through here, or whether you want to use this as a reception room if you don't need the one level living, but at least you have the option. So really bright and spacious room. You can make it work for you and your family, because then just opposite is you have your third bathroom. So you have your WC, wash hand basin, bath, thermostatic shower overhead, and again your underfloor heating. So another great bathroom. Even be great if you have guests over, that would be a great area for guests. But what I love is this space, the perfect family home space. And then actually you weren't expecting this all the way around here, but you've got this really large open plan dining, which is just perfect. So you've got your multi-fuel burner, which you can just imagine in the winter or the colder evenings that being on, and this being such a cosy room to be in while getting to just sit and look out over the Lomond Hills. Isn't that just perfect? Such a great size. And I love that you can then just come through here into the dining area. And then what I love even more is you can just imagine in the summer months, your patio doors being open and stepping straight outside into your family garden. Just look at that. So you've got this raised area here for seating, whether you want to do barbecues. But you really are spoilt. So not only do you get the gorgeous views to the rear, you then get to step outside to this perfect family garden. What's great as well, which you'll be able to utilise, I'm sure, is you've got this built-in fire pit. You also have a children's play frame just at the back, just there. But this is the perfect setting, and look at those blue skies. And then that is the rear of your property with the Lomond Hills just peeking at the side just there. It's just beautiful. And then you do have this further space. So don't forget I mentioned your fruit and vegetable plot, which is just here. Currently it has raspberries, artichokes. We also have rhubarb growing down here as well. So it really is a great addition to this countryside lifestyle. We then come down. Don't forget I mentioned you have a workshop space, which you can make work for you and your family because it's such a great size, which you'll see in just a second. So we go through these doors into your workshop space. Whether you have a business, whether you want to work from home, whether you have a hobby or a craft, this would be perfect to keep out of the house and in here. And actually, you have this further area through here as well. Or whether if you're a keen cyclist and want to go along the cycle path, you have all of this space here. But it's just a great size. Also has power and light to it as well. So this is just perfect. Trying to give you a true idea of size, and of course you could just use it for storage if need be. And then in addition to this, you also have your garage as well. So I'll take you around to the garage. So you've got a greenhouse that you can utilise there in addition to your fruit and vegetable plot. But you then also have your garage space. So you have the electric door on it. You do have electric supply because you also have an EV charge point just along there. So that is also your garage space. And then I'm going to give you one last look at the view before we recap this property. That was the personal property tour for Swallows Cottage by Barrington, Strathmiglo. Absolutely gorgeous 5-bedroom, 3-reception detached family home set in the most idyllic countryside setting with the Lomond Hills behind us. Stepping inside, you've got a really spacious property, plenty of family and friend social space. You've got the great option with the 1-level living downstairs. Stepping outside, you've got your really generous sized family garden with the fruit and vegetable plot. You've got that really great sized workshop space to make work for you, and you've got the addition of your garage as well. So you're getting plenty of property while getting to take full advantage of these countryside views. So if you'd like to get further details, you can click the link, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take